In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Sheets checkbox list with the effects of strikethroughs and colors. This can be a fantastic way to organize your tasks with some added visual flair. To start with this process, you'll first want to open a Google Sheet. If you haven't got one already set up, take a moment to create a new sheet because we'll be diving right into it. Once you have your sheet open, focus on the range of cells from C3 to C5. Click and drag your mouse to highlight these cells. These will be the cells where our main actions will take place. After you've highlighted the desired range, look to the top of your screen and find the Format option. It's located in the menu bar at the top of the Google Sheets interface. Go ahead and give that a click. Following that, you'll see a drop-down menu. What you'll want to do next is select Conditional Formatting from the list of options. This feature in Google Sheets gives us the flexibility to change the cell's appearance based on specific conditions, which is exactly what we're after. Now, on the right side of your screen, you'll notice that a Conditional Format Rules pane has appeared. This is where the magic happens. Within this pane, there's a section labeled Format Rules. There you'll find a drop-down list. Click on it, and from the options that appear, choose Custom Formula Is. This option allows us to input a formula that will trigger our desired effects based on its conditions. Enter the formula It's B3 true. This formula works by checking if the condition in cell B3 is met. In this case, whether a checkbox is checked or not. When it's checked, the formula returns true, and our format changes will be applied. With our formula set, it's time to decide the specifics of our formatting. You'll want to select the Strikethrough option, which will place a line through your text when the checkbox is ticked, indicating the task has been completed. Next, direct your attention to the Fill Color option. Clicking here allows you to choose a color for your cells once the checkbox is checked. Pick a color that stands out to you, something that will make completed tasks easily identifiable at a glance. Once you've configured your settings, you'll see a Done button at the bottom of the pane. Click this to save the changes you've just made. Now for the fun part, try clicking on the checkboxes you've set up in cells in column B. You'll notice as you check each one, the corresponding cell in column C changes, displaying a strikethrough and altering its color, just as we've set it up. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic and visually engaging checkbox list in Google Sheets. This setup not only enhances your task management, but also brings a vibrant touch to your everyday lists. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.